Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Group 3. We'll present about food packaging. Meaning of food packaging. Food packaging is defined as enclosing food to protect it from tampering or contamination from physical, chemical, and biological source, with active packaging being the most common packaging system used for preserving food products. Next, the Packaging Institute International (PII) defines packaging as the enclosure of products, items, or packages in a wrap, pouch, bag, box, cup, tray, can, tube, bottle, or other container formed to perform one or more of the following function, which is containment: protection, preservation, communication, utility, and performance. If the device or container performs one or more of these functions, it is considered a package.
Function and benefit. There are many functions and benefits we can learn about packaging in food processing. One of the main functions of packaging is a protective function that can be divided into several classes, which is the first is a natural deterioration will occur. It is caused by product interaction with water, gas, and smoke, microbiological organisms such as bacteria, yeast, and mold. Second is physical protection is also including wish to increase shock protection, protection of internal product, and reducing shock damage. The third is safety, mean a type of protective packaging required for product deemed dangerous to those who transport and use them. For the fourth is packaging waste also serve to reduce the amount of waste, especially in the event of food distribution. In addition, it also provided protection to product from dirt, insect, moisture, and damage. For example, products such as biscuit, jams, chips need to be protected from contact with the environment. Furthermore, the additional function of food processing is the area of marketing and promotion. This is because packaging and labels can be used by marketers to encourage potential buyers to buy the product. And for package design has been an important phenomenon and has continued to grow for decades. The next is the color of the package also plays an important role in invoking emotion that persuade consumer to make a purchase. In addition, the company use attractive color, logos, symbol, and caption to promote product that can influence customer purchasing decision. Conclusion in this section is packaging simplifies sales promotion work. Indoor packaging materials consistently remind consumer of the product. In this way, packaging performs as a role as passive salesperson. Therefore, it will increase sales. Next function and benefit of packaging is convenience, which is packaging of have feature and as convenience is distribution, handling, collection, display, sale, and so on. This is because it's easy to transport product from one place to another place to replace the stock and renew uses. In addition, product identification also work for the use of customer where each product is packaged in a container of size, color, and special shape. This is because it's to maintain its differences from competitor products. Besides that, the last function and the benefit of packaging in the information at the packaging. The general information provided by the packaging includes the general characteristic of the product, the material, the weight of contents, and so on. Thus, packaging of medicine and some food product is required to provide information on preparation method. Example, the orange color of the bottle of Mirinda or Fanta conveys information that the brand is an orange soft drink. In a nutshell, packaging in food processing is highly emphasized by all customers as well as sellers. This is because it is very necessary as food distribution network globalize in ensuring the final product is safe and secure for consumption. Thank you.
Okay, next is types of packaging material. There are four types of the most used materials in the industry for food packaging, such as glass, metals, plastic, and paper, as well as cardboard. Firstly, the packaging material that always used is glass. The glass is mostly used because it is entirely natural oxygen barrier when in contact with food. The glass usually using a silica, limestone, soda ash, and alumina. In addition, the application of glass material can be bottles, jars, soft drink, and etc. However, the glass is not suitable for packing of frozen foods due to the risk of breakage. The next packaging material is metal. Metal can be categorized into many types, such as aluminum, tin, and steel. For the example, for the steel packaging material is often used to make cans for processed foods such as beans and peas. This is because the high mechanical strength and low weight of steel make it relatively easy to store and ship food. Second, the aluminum usually for producing the beverage cans, a foil, and laminated paper. The last one is the tin is used as protective layers for steel. For instance, tin plate is a composite of tin and steel made by electrolytic coatings of bare steel with a thin layer of tin to minimize corrosion. The another packaging material that often being used is plastic. The plastic can be formed to many shapes using controlled heat and pressure at relatively low temperatures. Apart from that, plastic also able to preserve and protect food more longer and can minimizing the use of preservatives. There are many varieties of plastic such as polyvinyl chloride and polystyrene. However, the different types of plastic have their own benefits. For example, the polyvinyl chloride is very resistant to humidity, fats, and gases. Hence, the applications of plastic for packaging can be found as plastic films that pack the fruits and vegetables, as well as bottles for packing fruit drink, beverages, and yogurt. The last types of packaging material is paper as well as cardboard. The paper is derived from natural sources, which is wood. Apart from that, the paper is very cheap, lightweight product with an excellent printing capacity, hence can easily be corrected with a combination of paper and other materials such as plastics or paraffin, since the paper is quite sensitive to moisture. Meanwhile, the cardboard is a material made of several superimposed layers of paper, making it harder and thicker as well as more resistant than paper. The paper and cardboard are widely used in milk cartons, corrugated boxes, paper plates, and etc.
Next is food packaging method. There are several types of food packaging method, which is firstly is aseptic packaging, which is a method of processing that's sterilized separately from the packaging, such as using extreme high temperatures, then insert into a packaging. For example, milk and many other food. This packaging is more lightweight and to ensure longer life period of a product and not contaminated. Secondly is vacuum packaging, which is an air removing process before sealing, where products are put in a package, then air is removed and packaging is sealed. Usually this method used for dry food and fresh food. This packaging prevents microbial growth, freeze burn, and unstable evaporation. Thirdly, modified atmosphere packaging, which it replaces the ambient air with a secure gas mix in the package, where it involving atmosphere that is suitable for the protection of the product. For example, meat, fish, bread, fresh cut fruit, and vegetable product.
This packaging helps delay microbial spoilage, oxidation reaction, and eliminate browning. Next is edible food packaging, which is a type of packaging that is intended for consumption, which it creates from several types of substance in various ways. For example, an ice cream cone, a gelatin type package, and candy wrappers. This edible packaging helps reduce waste loop, which can be dissolved and consumed. Lastly, nano food packaging, which is a material that can enhance food life through high barrier packages. In addition, nanoclay are as functional additive to food packaging. For example, nanoparticles are mixed to improve the gas barrier properties as well as temperature and humidity resistance of packaging. This will result of humidity barrier, antibacterial, enhance shelf life, and reduce waste.
Today I will present about process of packaging. Martabak is packaged using laminated plastic, for example, nylon oriented with density linear polyethylene low. Active micrometer stick before include a combination of nitrogen gas and carbon dioxide into the package. Storage is done at room temperature 2+2 Celsius. This product is reheated using an oven microwave at moderate temperature for 1 minute or use the oven at 220 Celsius for 3 minutes before serve. Carbon dioxide content in the packaging space fill up to 60% allows martabak lifespan extended up to 4 weeks at a temperature of 2+2 Celsius. Duration storage at the temperature can be extended up to 6 weeks if carbon dioxide content is increased up to 80%. Martabak wrapped in air normal will be damaged due to high microbial content after 2 weeks of storage. A total of 2 pieces of martabak are filled in one bag by using the bag concept inside the box. Second is ayam percek, combination of nitrogen gas and carbon dioxide put in a package. Ayam percek packaged using laminated plastic, for example, nylon oriented with low density linear polyethylene. Active micrometer stick. Saving is done at a temperature of 2+2 Celsius. This product is reheated using microwave at medium temperature for 3 minutes or use the oven 220 Celsius for 5 minutes before serving. Packaging using plain air will be damaged due to the high microbial content after 4 weeks storage. The increased carbon dioxide content in the packaging space through modified atmospheric packaging up to 40 until 50% allows the lifespan of ayam percek to be extended up to 7 weeks storage. Ayam percek products are packaged using concept bag in the box. The third is onion puree. Modification of gas content in the packaging space can extend the storage period for onion puree products. Modified atmospheric packaging containing 10% CO2 and 90% N2 is suitable for use onion storage. This atmosphere is capable of inhibiting the biosynthesis process of phenolic compounds, which cause a decrease in the quality of onion color after cooking. Onion can hold up 12 weeks storage at 5+1 Celsius using plastic. The red onion puree packaged using this technology can provide material instant cooking to housewives and food entrepreneurs with guaranteed product quality and safe to use.
In conclusion, and significant global sector earning multi-trillion dollars is the food processing and packaging industry. This is attributed to the improvement in the living condition of developed countries' citizens. In addition, people are becoming more conscious and mindful of their health. That is why they look for food that is packed. As a result, the need to follow standards for food safety is becoming greater and the laws are becoming more strict. That's all from our groups. Thank you.